Frank Preston, the President and CEO of ACI Medical and Dental School. 18 years ago, we felt the need to start ACI Medical and Dental School because there was a need for short-term quality education. We received accreditation. Our current graduation rate is 94%. Our pass rate on the national credentials are 94%, and our employment rate is 94%. And we do this within 5 and 9 months part-time. By working on their didactic and clinicals, within a common day, they're learning the academic and then they're applying it. In addition to that, we also work with the soft skills. In both the medical and dental, they're on the front line, and it really is about the patient experience. So we take a lot of time talking about the interpersonal skills, the problem solving and multitask attributes that they need to have to really optimize that patient experience and to be able to get the job done as the clinical and the administrative people in both medical and dental. If somebody was considering moving forward with the medical and dental field, I would suggest that they come and check out and learn more about what we do and how we do it. If there is an aptitude, a passion for that profession, there is no better choice than ACI Medical and Dental. We take the time to know you, to work with you, and the support staff are here. The day programs are 5 months long and the evenings just over 7 months. The didactic and clinical is 14 weeks full-time. That 15th week, they're starting their internship and or employment. What we're able to do when they come here is give them a pathway to further education. Once they receive their medical and dental credentialing, going on to nursing, going on to being a hygienist or being a physician's assistant is a pathway that we start with our students. Currently, we have over 200 positions that are unfilled, that we're working with our stakeholders, Hackensack Meridian, Center State, Monmouth Cardiology, Internal Medicine, the VNA, and they're just a handful of many of the relationships that we have, and we're unable to fill their needs. And we have a career assistance program called CAP that each one of our students works with our supervisor of career services, and they break down those soft skills. So it's not just a didactic knowledge academic and the clinical skills that they need, but they also need to be able to interact and optimize that intervention and that interaction with the patient so that the patient feels like they're in good hands and they're getting the treatment that they need. Our credentials are through NHA, National Health Career Association. That's for the medical assistant program and the medical and dental administrative program. Our dental assistants receive the dental assistant national boards that they have to take and pass to be able to get licensed in radiology to take the dental x-rays. Our results are the best in the state of New Jersey and throughout the country for the national credentials that we give through NHA and the Dental Assistant National Boards. ACI Medical and Dental doesn't just give the one credential, they have stackable credentials. So we're medical assistant, phlebotomy technician, EKG technician, and patient care. 4 stackable national accredited credentials within that 3.5 months that they're on campus. What we tell our students during the orientation that as of today, this day here, you are walking the talk and are going to be that medical assistant, that dental assistant, or that medical and dental administrative assistant. The medical and dental administrative program will be sitting for 3 national credentials. The medical administrative assistant, billing and coding, and electronic health records. So they would be leaving here with 3 national accredited credentials. We have lifetime career services, and what that means is you graduate, you're working in the profession, and you're there for 3 or 4 years, and you want to come back and freshen up your resume, you make an appointment with our career services and come in and we'll work with you on your resume. So our school is filled with people of 18 years of age, up to 65 years of age is our student population. And we do it in 1/3 the time. How do we do it? We do it by hiring and working with amazing staff, by our attention to details. We have survey monkeys, exit interviews. We're always looking at what we're doing and how we're doing, and then we're tweaking it from there. It's a work in progress. We're accredited by Middle States Colleges and Schools, the oldest accrediting agency in the country. We just moved into our new building, which happened to be the first public school building in the town of Eatontown. We're so excited about the additional space that we have for our labs and the classrooms and lecture halls and breakout rooms and cafeteria. It's just a spectacular building. One of the resources that we have here is an academic advisor. And that person's available for anybody that may have some learning curves. We only know what we know, and so we don't take for granted that you know how to study, when to study, and how to study. And so if somebody's having difficulties along those lines, we have the resources available for that. We also have student tutors. And they're normally the seniors in the class that have an aptitude for the content and are really able to just get it. And so we have tutors available during the week for the students, but we are expecting and looking forward to the students walking the talk from day one. And it's just teachers that get it done and the students that put the time in to get it done that result in those careers. It is really an amazing opportunity for the people that have an aptitude for both medical or dental. There is no better place to come than ACI Medical and Dental School, located right here in Monmouth County.